Have you ever wondered what it really takes to go from miserably failing prop firm challenges to passing them with an ease and effortlessness that would boggle the minds of the losing majority of prop firm traders? What is the secret that successful traders know which allows them to consistently pass prop firm challenges and even go on to secure massive payouts? Is it the strategy they use, the discipline they've got, or is it just pure luck? Is there a simple formula that anyone can follow to succeed? Well, guess what? You're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the simple 3-step formula which has helped me and countless other Forex traders to dominate and conquer prop firm challenges like nothing you've ever seen before. Spoiler alert, it's not rocket science, but it does work. So without further ado, let's dive right in, shall we? But before we talk about the details of the simple 3-step formula which I use to pass prop firm challenges with ease, I know you're probably wondering if the formula would work for all prop firm challenges, right? Well, the answer to that question is a firm resounding yes! Whether it's FTMO, FundedNext, or any other prop firm out there, this simple 3-step formula for passing prop firm challenges just works. The formula is designed to simplify your trading process and also give you a clear roadmap to follow in order to succeed. The very first step in our simple 3-step process for passing prop firm challenges is testing. Testing is where the magic begins. The testing phase is all about evaluating the trading strategy which you would like to use to trade during a prop firm challenge to know whether or not it's even profitable to begin with. It is made up of a 3-part process which involves backtesting, forward testing, and live testing. For those who don't know, backtesting is that step in the process where you will run the trading strategy which you would like to use to trade during a prop firm challenge or on a live trading account through historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. The backtesting phase is meant to answer questions like, does my strategy have an edge? And how well can it handle different market conditions? And right after backtesting, we've got forward testing. Forward testing is that part of the testing phase where you would test the trading strategy which you would like to use to trade during a prop firm challenge or on a live account using an out-of-sample historical data which wasn't part of the backtest you ran initially. The goal of this step in the testing process is to confirm that your trading strategy's success wasn't just due to luck, overfitting, or favorable market conditions which was specific to the dataset you used during the backtesting phase. Forward testing is also meant to ensure that your chosen trading strategy can adapt to market conditions which are significantly different to the ones which it was exposed to during the backtesting phase and still retain its effectiveness. It's also meant to provide a much more realistic validation of a trading strategy's robustness and also give you greater confidence that it will perform consistently when you trade with it under live market conditions. And last but not the least of the steps in the testing phase is live testing. This step in the process is where you take your chosen trading strategy for a test drive in a realistic trading environment to ensure its reliability and also prove that it's truly going to give you an edge over the markets. Unlike backtesting and forward testing, which relies on the use of in and out of sample historical data or trading within the confines of a demo trading environment, live testing involves applying the trading strategy which you'd like to use to trade during a prop firm challenge or on a live account with real money under live market conditions on a real trading account with a very small amount of money. This step in the process is like rehearsing for a performance. It will let you see how your trading strategy behaves in real time. The goal of this step in the process is to confirm that your trading strategy can weather the storm of live trading conditions. Live testing is also meant to give you confidence in your chosen trading strategy and to also prove to you that it can consistently deliver results when it matters most, like during a prop firm challenge or on a live account with real money. Live testing is also meant to further prove whether or not your chosen trading strategy has got what it really takes to work in the real world under live market conditions. So, why is testing so important? The answer to that question is pretty simple. You need to be 100% confident in your chosen trading strategy before putting it to the test in a high-pressure prop firm challenge or live trading environment where money is at stake. Here's a quick question for you. How serious are you about leveling up your trading game and becoming one of those consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to squeeze profits out of the Forex markets like a broken ATM machine? Well, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, guessing your way through trades, and finally cracking the code to earning consistent profits through Forex trading, then I've got something you're absolutely going to love. And guess what? It's absolutely free. I've spent months putting together a profitable Forex trading crash course, which is designed to help you go from being a struggling trader to becoming a consistently profitable Forex trader in a step-by-step manner. By the end of the course, you'll know exactly what you'll need to start and stop doing in order to join the ranks of the lucky few consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to squeeze profits out of the spot Forex market like a broken ATM machine. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to www.fxmindtricksacademy.com/blueprint to get free instant access to the crash course. It's time to start trading smarter, not harder, and finally achieve the results you've been working so hard for. Don't let this rare opportunity pass you by. Take action today and watch your trading game transform for the better. See you on the other side. Testing the performance of a trading strategy under live market conditions is an indispensable part of the first step of our 3-step formula for passing prop firm challenges, because unlike backtesting or forward testing, live testing will expose your chosen trading strategy to the full spectrum of the possibilities in the market. It is a pivotal bridge between the profitability of a strategy in theory and its performance in the real world. And it's also the ultimate testing phase, which will show you how your chosen trading strategy operates under the unpredictable dynamics of live market conditions. Not just its picture-perfect performance under the ideal trading conditions of backtesting or forward testing with historical data. From the positive or negative effects of things like commissions, variable spreads, and slippage, amongst a host of other things which could significantly impact your bottom line but also easily go unaccounted for during testing in a simulated trading environment. For example, under live market conditions, your order might not be filled at the exact price you wanted to get in or out of the markets due to slippage. And that's why live testing is meant to help you see how often and how significant things like slippage will affect the performance of your chosen trading strategy. Another example is the effect of variable spreads on the performance of a trading strategy. As you may know, spreads aren't static. They widen and tighten depending on market volatility and liquidity. Live testing is going to show you how these fluctuations could influence your trade entries and exits under real market conditions. Live testing would also help you to understand how fees such as commissions will affect the profitability of your chosen trading strategy. When you test your strategy live, every trade you take reflects the here and now of market dynamics, allowing you to build confidence in your system's ability to adapt and thrive under pressure. You're going to learn how well your strategy performs during the release of major news events, unexpected spikes in market volatility, or low liquidity trading conditions when spreads usually widen significantly. You'll also get a first-hand look at how factors like trade execution speed and platform quirks impact the trades you take. Live testing is also your opportunity to identify and address the gaps that backtesting and forward testing might not reveal. Some strategies look great on paper, but falter in reality due to unforeseen nuances in market behavior. For example, does your stop-loss placement account for sudden spread spikes? Are your profit targets realistic when factoring in commissions and slippage? Is your strategy still profitable when adjusted for the costs of live trading? By testing in live markets, you can refine these details, ensuring your system is as robust as possible. Trading isn't just about having a good strategy. It's about sticking to it when emotions run high. Live testing helps you practice maintaining discipline in real-world scenarios. Can you handle the anxiety of seeing a trade move against you, knowing it's part of the bigger picture? Will you resist the temptation to deviate from your plan during a losing streak? Live testing forces you to face these challenges, preparing you mentally for the real deal. When you eventually transition to a challenge or funded account, you'll already know how your strategy performs in real market conditions. Don't skip it. This is where true success begins. After thoroughly testing the viability of your chosen trading strategy, it's time to move on to the second step of the 3-step formula for passing prop firm challenges, which is planning. I'm pretty sure it might surprise you to know that a huge chunk of the losing majority of prop firm traders rush into taking prop firm challenges without taking the time to craft a clearly defined plan of attack. And that's a huge mistake. Failing to plan is planning to fail. And that's why the importance of creating a foolproof prop firm trading plan cannot be overemphasized, and that's why it's the cornerstone of success for any trader who would like to pass a prop firm challenge. Without a solid trading plan, you're no different from a trader who is gambling and relying on nothing but luck to pass their prop firm challenge instead of a proven strategy, and that's a recipe for inconsistency and failure. A foolproof trading plan is going to give you clarity and also help you to trade with the discipline and confidence you'll need to navigate the markets while staying aligned with the prop firm's risk management rules and profit objectives. If you would like to be able to pass prop firm challenges like the consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to earn a living through trading the financial markets, then you're going to need to craft a bulletproof prop firm trading plan. Which brings us to the third and final step of our simple 3-step formula for passing prop firm challenges, which is execution. Execution is where all your prior preparation comes together, but it's also where emotions could get in the way and stop you from being able to pass the prop firm challenges you take and earn those sweet profit payouts. So how do you execute effectively? The answer is pretty simple actually. Just stick to your trading plan. If you've rigorously tested your trading strategy and also created a solid trading plan, then there's no need to second guess yourself. The execution phase of our simple 3-step formula for passing prop firm challenges is all about having the relentless discipline to follow the rules of your bulletproof prop firm trading plan and to also avoid making impulsive trading decisions. This is where we focus on the process and not the outcome of the individual trades we take. This simple 3-step formula for passing prop firm challenges is going to help you with profitability in the long term. Why? Because disciplined execution creates consistent results, not just for the challenge, but for your overall trading career. So to recap, testing ensures your strategy is solid and reliable. Planning gives you a roadmap to follow with risk management at its core. And execution is where you bring it all together and stick to the bulletproof trading plan you created. This simple 3-step formula works because it eliminates guesswork and helps you approach challenges with a clear and structured mindset. If you're serious about passing your next prop firm challenge, start testing, planning, and executing today.